you can be one of the best drivers in the industry. How? Get Certified Red. Certified Red is a voluntary, hands-on training program that'll develop your skills as a driver, help you perform at an elite level, and get you recognized and rewarded for your achievements. At Nussbaum, red is more than just a color. It's a symbol of excellence, service, and dedication. Red is purpose-driven. Certified Red is a unique opportunity to hone your skills over the road and earn your spot as an elite driver, not only at Nussbaum, but as one of the best in the industry. In the program, you'll participate in hands-on learning from the best to be the best. Learn next-level driving tips and tricks to maximize your safety and performance. Receive one-on-one coaching from subject matter experts. Keep your mental game sharp with focused online courses and prove your driving abilities by reaching and maintaining performance requirements. Once you've earned Certified Red status, you'll receive a permanent 2-cent per mile bump to your base rate and be publicly recognized for your achievement. Your truck will be designated with a Certified Red decal to display your status to all the drivers around you while you wear your exclusive red hat and show off your new bling with a stunning sterling silver ring. But it doesn't stop there. Your red status will advance as you run safe miles and complete additional development opportunities. With every 100,000 incident-free miles you log as a Certified Red driver, you'll receive another half-cent increase to your base pay, up to 1 million miles. That's an opportunity to permanently add a total of 7 cents per mile to your base rate. Plus, we'll add a diamond to that blinging ring at every new milestone. Now that's one great way to stand out in a crowd. If you want to be called the best, prove you've got what it takes to rise to the top. Enroll in Certified Red today. There are no performance or service requirements to make the first steps, just a desire and willingness to learn and work hard. Certified Red is a permanent status and one you can be proud of. Don't just drive. Drive with purpose. Drive Red. Learn more about Certified Red and enroll today.